Hello everybody, Jack Rocknroll Amps. We're looking at a made in Mexico Blues Deville Reissue. It's got a couple of issues. Bad input jack. I'm going to replace both of them. This capacitor over here, this 22 UF, is starting to flower. It's got the crust happening, which is typical of this Illinois capacitor brand of a certain time. They've since mended their ways, but this is probably from that era. So that'll get replaced. These are getting replaced. And the tubes have been tested, and the power tube's got to go. One preamp tube has to go. So I'll bias the amp, make the changes. So let's get started. First of all, obviously you got to pull the tubes out. Secondly, you got to take off the nuts and washers from the foot switch jack, the power amp jack, the preamp out. Got to take all the nuts and washers and the knobs off of the controls and the input jacks. Then you got to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Now additionally, don't forget, this is a dangerous place to be. This amp is completely discharged, and I advise you, implore you, that if you do this work, make sure you discharge the amp, otherwise you're going to get knocked on your butt. Okay, another thing that has to be taken care of in order to remove the PCB is to remove this ground clamp. Okay, now many times these wire ties holding all of these wires together are going to give you a tough time to get the board out. So I always recommend cut the wire ties and just replace them when you're done. It makes everything more flexible. Just make sure you don't cut the wires themselves. That would be a pain. Okay, so once you feel that the board has freed up, you don't want to force anything. Just try to get it loose. There you go, back and forth. Never be a bull in a china shop with these things, because you'll end up in deep water. Alright, now, it doesn't hurt to flex these gently in the other direction. Alright, let's see if we could get this guy out. So what I normally do is cant the board inwards towards the bottom of the amp. And then try to get it so that all of your parts clear the chassis. Okay, we're almost there. There you go, she's out. Possibility that the capacitor is glued in. So what I normally do is snip the leads. I take a razor and carefully cut the plastic casing. Okay, once the capacitor's out, then you could remove, yeah, this was glued in. So you could see it came out easily. You got to flip the board around. Unfortunately, I can't show you the back. One down. Okay, she's out. All right, I don't have any 22 UF in stock, so it's going to have to wait to be replaced. So anyway, let's get to work on these jacks. Okay, so here we are. Whoops. Okay, all out. Gotcha. Anybody else? Nope. Okay. You're up. Sometimes it's easier just to heat it up and push a dental tool in. And the dental tool is stainless steel, so the solder doesn't stick to it. You don't have to play around with removing the solder. Okay, there we go.